Hey guys, today I'm gonna be playing with slime, and it gets my hands wet. See that? Ew, I don't like that kind of slime. I can tell it's already sticky. It looks like that, like planet slime, like a Jupiter or Mars slime, or something like that, or putty, whatever it is. I can tell this is like a mix. This feels like putty, but at the same time, it feels like slime. It's so shiny. This looks just like that, like Jupiter or Mars slime. It gets my hands really wet. I don't really like that about a lot of slimes. My aunt would hate this. This is what it goes in, I guess. I don't know. Yeah. It's volcano slime, I guess. So, and I got it with something involving volcanoes. I wasn't paying attention. So, yeah. Don't mind any screaming in the background. It's just my mom screaming at my brother. So, yeah. Okay. And this is like not the type of slime that I would like buy from a normal store. I ordered this. So, I don't know where. If you could buy it somewhere, I don't even know where I ordered it. Like, I just saw it, and I'm just like, yep, I'm getting it. It is really, like, it's pretty, like, soft, I guess. But yeah, I might do shout outs like sometime, but I doubt I'll get any subscribers, so yeah. But this is cool. It looks really cool, but it does not feel that cool because it gets my hands all wet, which is gross. Well, I feel like it's starting to do that less. Maybe it's because I just took it out for the first time. I took it out of this bag, but I doubt you want to see me cut that open. So, So if you want a shout out, then just subscribe. And yeah. Since you've watched it this far, well, thank you. And if I hit 3 subscribers, it'll be like the best day of my life. I don't know if that's bad or good, but I don't don't know. Actually, if I get to 1, I'll be happy. And they will be like my #1 favorite in the entire world of subscribers, and I'll like give them a shout out every single day. This, I don't even know how to describe it. It's just like non-sticky and sticky, slimy but not slimy, puttyish but not puttyish, sticky, like wet but still wet. That's all I can describe of it, is like wet and looks like that, like planet putty or whatever you call it. Like who Who collects those things that there's like a sun putty, a Jupiter putty, a Mars putty? If you do, give this video a thumbs up. So, yeah. It's like kind of hard to, I don't know, it's just hard. It's hard to like get it off of you, but it's like so easy to get it off of you at the same time. And I don't know how that's a thing, so don't ask. Let's see if I can get this. Yeah, can't get that open. I don't know how to pause the video while I'm making a YouTube video. Like, if you know how, then comment down below how, because that would make my videos a lot more cool. Because, like, if I could pause it, like, then I would have totally opened it in the bag, and I would have opened it in this box. And I would have showed you when I was buying it how fast I saw it when I was ordering it. I just, like, I didn't even look at anything else. I just, like, saw it and went for it. Anyways, I don't know what you guys want me to do, so comment what you guys like right now. Like, comment below down there where my slime is pointing what you want me to do in my more videos. Because in May, right now, it's the first day of spring. So, you guys, I forgot to say happy spring. It was beautiful. It was beautiful outside today. Like, and luckily the park is like right across the street. Well, not right across the street, but like a block away from my house. So I can just go there and talk to my friends, like tell them to go there and talk to my friends whenever I want. So, I could also, I have, wait, what's tomorrow? I think tomorrow is Wednesday. Yes, tomorrow's Wednesday. Well, I have soccer. I have soccer on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. Comment down below if you play a sport. I play soccer and basketball. And what's your favorite sport if you have one? Mine's basketball. Because I don't like soccer. I don't like soccer that much. It's like just kind of boring. My coach, I'm sorry guys, but my coach sucks. Like half. And last year my aunt and my friends, I guess you could call her, mom was my coach, and they sucked too. So, and my mom's the coach this year too, and of course she sucks, so got no good luck on that. My cousin plays, well, my cousin's gonna play wrestling because he doesn't prefer to do soccer. He doesn't prefer to play soccer because he threw a fit and he quit soccer when the other team scored a goal. So, yeah. I don't know why this is so satisfying to me, but like it just is. It's Kelly, Mom, hold on. I told you not to interrupt my YouTube video. God. Okay. Anyways, sorry for that interruption of my mother calling my name. Guys, comment down below what I should name this YouTube channel Right now, I guess it's called Kelly Crawford. So. This is satisfying, like so satisfying. God, my brother's in here being annoying. Please go away. Why do you have my phone? Oh my God. Sorry, he has my other phone. I post on my mom's phone because my phone apparently can't connect to YouTube. Well, like can't do YouTube because like it's so slow. And it won't let me have a channel because apparently like I can't have an account or something. But on this phone I can. So. Like, I don't know why slime is just so satisfying. And this is like brand new and it's already like, I've already fallen in love with it. Well, I think that's gonna be it for this video. Again, comment down below what I should change my channel name to, and also comment down below what you want me to do from now on. Comment down below what your and give this video a thumbs up if you like basketball just as much as I do. God, why? Okay, my brother's being annoying. Stop. Oh my God. I'm making a YouTube video now. Go away. Jeez. Oh yes, I also have this meshy ball. Okay. And also in May, I will be posting a Great Wolf Lodge trip. I think that's it for this video. Again, happy spring, you guys. Bye.